Ahiravana, brother of Ravana and an expert black magician, captured Rama and Lakshmana through black magic and imprisoned them in Patala Loka. The only way to kill him was to extinguish 5 lamps placed at far off places in different directions and extinguish all the 5 of them at the same time. Thanks to the blessing of Brahma, Hanuman was able to assume 5 divine faces and extinguish all the 5 lamps at the same time. The 5 faces of Panchamukha Anjaneya are: east face Anjaneya, that is the original face. South face is Narasimha. West face is Garuda. North face is Varaha. Top face is Hayagriva. Since Hanuman is himself an Amsa of Shiva, by worshipping Panchamukha Anjaneya, one gets the blessings of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva besides Garuda and Anjaneya. The benefits of worshipping Panchamukha Anjaneya. East facing Anjaneya grants success in all our efforts. South facing Narasimha fulfills our wishes and protects us from evil spirits. West facing Garuda grants relief from poisons and cures our diseases. North facing Varaha grants us wealth and prosperity. The top face Hayagriva grants us knowledge and wisdom. The Naivedyas for the Panchamukha Anjaneya. For Hanuman, nuts, that's nuts like groundnuts, etc., kadalai, the black chana, banana and vadas. For Narasimha, panakam. For Garuda, honey. For Varaha, sweet pongal. For Hayagriva, milk and beaten rice, that is aval, poha.
Thank you.
Adivugradejo vagusham Vishanam Bhayanashanam Paschimam Karunam Vakram Vakratunda Mahajuni Sarvanaga Prasamanam Sarvabhutadigrundanam Uttari Saugaram Vadram Krishna Dekanavojvalam Padala Siddhidam Gora Sarvaroga Nigrandanam Urvam Hayananam Goram Danavantakaram Karam Dasabistu Bhujairyuktam Nagarani Karananam Khadgam Trishulam Krekvangam Pasam Padmadam Ankusham Mosalancha Dhruvam Mushtim Mukkaram Dasamam Sfragam Yedranyayutajalani Jalayantam Swaraisarai Rakshaprita Savastam Dam Divyabaranabhushitam Raktambaranevam Raktagandhanulevanam Raktavastram Raktarupam Bhajami Vayunandanam Dhyayan Evam Panchakram Manutatparasaksharam Jamal Siddhimavapnoti Devanamapi Dulabam Sarvaroga Pranasyanti Grihyanti Durata
ಕಾಯ ಹನುಮಂತ ಅನಂತ ಮಹಿಮಾ ಹನುಮಂತ ಅನಂತ ಶಕ್ತ ಹನುಮಂತ ಅಜಗಮ ಶ್ರೀ ಹನುಮಂತ ಹನುಮಂತ ಶ್ರೀ ಹನುಮಂತ ಅಮಿತ ವಿಕ್ರಮ ಹನುಮಂತ ಹನುಮಂತ ಶುಭ ಹನುಮಂತ ರಕ್ಷಿಸು ರಕ್ಷಿಸು ಗುಣವಂತ ಕೀರ್ತನ ಪ್ರಿಯ Rama